It's almost end of April of 2025 and OINP, the Ontario Immigrant Nominee Program, has not done a single draw yet this year. A lot of folks, a lot of candidates who are very exceptional OINP candidates have been waiting for OINP draws and have been awaiting their chance to apply for Ontario Nominee Program. However, so far this year, there hasn't been any luck. Now, why is it that OINP has not done any draw? What are their plans going forth, and what to expect from OINP in this year, what kind of draws to expect, and will there be a general draw? This is what we are going to talk about in this video, so stay tuned until the end. Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Dhruv. I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant. At our firm FHC, we assist all prospective immigrants with their immigration to Canada. If you are an aspirant, you need assistance, here is our contact information. Feel free to contact us and we would be happy to assist you. If you would like to talk to me or any other RCIC in our firm for your specific questions, you can book a meeting. The link to book a meeting is in the description of this video. OINP, despite being very popular amongst the applicants and their employers, uh, they haven't done any draw this year so far, which has created a lot of anxiety, not only amongst the applicants, but also their employers who face uncertainty with regards to their workforce. Now, why is OINP not doing draws? What are their plans and what to expect going forth? Let's talk about that. But before we go there, let's quickly answer the comment of the week. This comment comes on our PGWP paper extension video. And the question is, what about the language test results? There is no official instructions whether a language test result is required for an extension application or not. Excellent question, and the answer is, for an extension you do not require a language test result. Here on the screen you can see the instructions from the official IRCC website, and it says that if you are applying for an extension you do not require a language test. I hope this helps. Now, over the past few days I was at Discovery X, which is a tech showcase or a trade show, and different government agencies were also present there in order to promote innovation in Ontario, and OINP was present there as well. I asked OINP with regards to what is their purpose of being present here if they're not doing any draws, and the purpose was to promote OINP amongst employers, to be able to encourage employers to apply for OINP, to be able to encourage employers and inform that OINP is not a sponsorship, OINP is not an LMIA based program, and to remove their hesitation with regards to supporting their workforce for OINP. So I would really like to appreciate OINP and their staff members for taking these initiatives, because there's a lot of employers who still don't understand the process, who are scared of the OINP process, and who still consider OINP to be a sponsorship application or an LMI application. Government taking and investing in such initiatives to inform the employers is a very nice thing. So I got to meet one of the program advisors from OINP at the trade show and had a very informal conversation with them. From my personal experience, knowledge, and some of the conversations I had with the OINP advisors at the trade show, I'd like to present my understanding of what we can expect from OINP going forth in 2025. Now again, guys, none of this information is from official sources. This is essentially from some informal conversations and deductions from that conversation with some of the advisors or representatives of OINP present there to showcase OINP programs to different companies at the trade show. This is from my personal experience, my knowledge, and some of the information I gathered over the past few days. Now, the question number one is, why is OINP not doing any draws? 4 months of the year are already over and we have not seen one single draw in any of the streams from OINP. The answer to this question is OINP has had a reduction in allocation from the federal government. They haven't released their official numbers yet, but because of that reduction, they are trying to modulate, to trying to control the number of applications they take in. And this is partly because they already have a big backlog and a big inventory of applicants already with them. And in order to ensure that they stay within their allocations, they are restricting the draws so far this year. Second point of discussion is, when can we expect OINP to do a draw? No one knows that. No one knows the answer to that. And none of the representatives or none of the folks that normal public can talk to are privy to those conversations. And neither will that be revealed to the normal public or even OINP employees, let alone the normal public. So, with regards to when the next draw will happen, it's very hard to say, but it's important that you have your profiles in the pool so that whenever it happens, you don't miss it. The third point of discussion is, why is OINP taking such a long time to process the applications? Some people have been in processing for a very long time, 8 months to 12 months, and still waiting. Well, the answer again boils down to the allocations. With reduced allocation, they are trying to limit the output with regards to the number of nominations they are giving out in order to make sure that they meet their allocation targets. So again, it boils down to federal government reducing the allocations for the provinces. Now I asked them, what do they think about federal government policies with reductions in allocations, and the OINP was not very happy about it. They said that we want allocations to stay the same or even increase so that we can continue helping immigrants, continue helping employers, and continue helping the economy of Ontario. So really, they want more folks coming in or being able to help more folks. But again, their hands are tied because of the federal government. At the federal level, there has been certain things which are outside of provinces' control, because of which they cannot really. Their hands are tied, even though they don't like that. Another reason for not being able to do draws so far this year was stated to be the provincial elections, which happened in Ontario earlier this year, and now the federal elections, because of which some of the resources or some of their energy is diverted towards or has been diverted towards those initiatives, and hence that has impacted the draws as well. Now, the last point of discussion is what to expect going forth with regards to the draw. And the answer has been that OINP will most likely continue to focus on skilled trades and healthcare occupations, while um, there may be general draws, but it's very likely that we'll continue to see their focus on skilled trades and healthcare. So those occupations can again, like last year, see draws happening going forth. That was all from what my deduction has been with regards to OINP and what to expect from OINP going forth. If you are a candidate, you are eligible, make sure you have a profile. So whenever a draw happens, you become eligible for it. And again, hope OINP continues or resumes their draws, as a lot of people, applicants, and also employers are sort of worried right now uh, for status is expiring and there hasn't been any draws, and then running out of options as a result. That's it for this video, guys. In summary, we've talked about the OINP program, why there haven't been draws, partly because of the provincial and federal elections and a reduction in allocation. We've talked about uh, why the processing times are so long, again, partly because of the reduction in the allocations. We've talked about when can we expect the next draw, and we've talked about what kind of draws we can expect. That is, healthcare and skilled trades most likely will be the favorites for OINP. If you like this video, guys, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you are notified about any new video that we upload. If you think this information may be helpful for any of your friends, family members, please share this video with them. Thanks a lot for tuning in, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.